Hi, let's make this simple chicken recipe. All you need is your chicken wings. Put it in the pan, and then after that just put a little oil and let it fry on low heat until it is at least golden brown. Now at this point you can add some salt to it so that it slowly cooks. After that I'll add some garlic and just let it fry a little bit until it is partly golden brown. Make sure that you flip it over. So after cooking for a while, I'll just keep flipping it over. Depending, at this point you can check if it is ready or not yet. So now I'll take them and put them aside. After that, I'm gonna put some freshly cut onions. Just cook it briefly. What we want to achieve here, I don't know if you guys know kachumbari. It's like eating barbecue chicken with fresh veggies. That's like the onions and the tomatoes. So we're just going to cook it a little bit, not so much, and then we shall just add the tomatoes to it. So when you add the tomatoes, you're going to let it cook a little bit. We just want to have that kachumbari feel. So we're going to make it cook a little bit, not so much. So after that, you mix it together. You can see it's soft and very, very neutral. Then I'll add the chicken to it. So after adding this chicken, we are going to add some spices. What I'm adding here is basically a mix of Royco chicken and then also some little black pepper to it. So that Royco is just gonna add in a little taste to it. So I'll also make it a little spicy with mild chili. This is optional. You can just add it if you want, or you can use black pepper. And then you let it just cook a little bit, not so much, a little bit, and that is it. Simple. You can serve with your favorite food. You can eat with rice, you can eat with matoke, you can eat with ugali, whatever your choice is. This is very simple, and all you need is onions, tomatoes, and some few pieces of chicken wings. Try this recipe out and let me know how it comes out. Let me know if you like it. You can serve it and just have a very delicious meal. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.